Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you will need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer and just have it ready. On your phone you want to turn it off. And once the device turns off, we will then be holding our power button and volume up at the same time, and when you start holding them you want to also plug it in. So I'm pressing them and plug in. It will start booting up. You will see Samsung and then Galaxy. Once you see the Galaxy below, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up, and this will then take us to the recovery mode. We can now unplug the cable and we will need to use our volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, which does absolutely freaking nothing. We have Apply Updates from ADB, Apply Updates from SD card, Wipe Data or Cache Partition, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off or Repair Apps. So I'm gonna stick with the first option and confirm it. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.